I want go home now. Ulangi. What are you learning today?
Today I learning many things like chemistry, math, English, bahasa Jawa,
Bahasa Indo.
and right now we are learning math. Circle.
Circle.
We're learning about
Circle.
Circle.
I'm so tired. What are you doing?
I'm learning math. I'm very boring. Look at teacher.